It's been half a year since I've come back from my Japan trip and I am deep in sin. My figures continue to collect dust without my eyes feasting upon their beauty. But at last I could not continue allowing procrastination to win this battle. Okay, dramatics aside, I decided to at least clear out a shelf and set up my Straw Hat crew. With all the hype around the live action online, it has been a constant reminder that my Straw Hat crew was in boxes waiting to see the light of day. Of all the Straw Hats, my biggest figure is Luffy, which I find quite funny. Just look at the difference between Luffy and Zoro. Ha! Here are some more things I added to the One Piece shelf. Next is Pinocchio, best known as our favorite liar. I was talking to a One Piece fan recently and they hadn't picked up on the Pinocchio reference. I recognized several fables in this story, so I was pretty surprised. Next up is Curly Eyebrows Don Juan. Only took him around 800 episodes to work himself into my heart, but he has found a secure place to live rent-free. For now. In this economy, I think I'm gonna charge him rent. Is it a robot? Is it an exhibition? It's both. It's both. I think this is the heaviest figure of them all, but with a tiny head. His arms are probably the heaviest part. Big boy. Beautiful. My next decision was so hard. First world problem, I have 2 bricks. Future means problem. Instead, let's open our favorite blue-nosed raccoon. Unlike Frankie, he is all head, no body. See what I mean? Okay, back to making a decision. It was killing me to choose between the 2. But I'm already dead. Okay, I decided on this one. The pose is just so cool. But it's hard to justify having both considering they are both in the same outfit. This is what I got so far. You will forever be in my heart. Different day because I got the rest as like anime. This complete my crew. Greedy Queen is up first. And I'm so glad I waited to get this figure. This definitely is my favorite one of her I've seen. Oda definitely has a thing for fishnets. I rest my case. Talking about digging through history, next up is not Batman's sidekick, although just as useless. I'm just kidding, I don't actually believe that. I actually think her power is super cool and wish we could see it more often. Last one, this figure rivals Frankie's in weight and is also a great candidate for my new weapon. There was no assembly for this one, I just added the base. That's all I gotta say. I got no lame jokes for him yet. Anyways, I'm Couch Potato Chan. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love talking about anime, so let's talk about it. Who's your favorite Straw Hat member and why? Did you watch the live action? Did you like it? What about the Red film? Dump all the thoughts in the comments. I'll see you there. Bye.